Hi everybody. Today let us see how to do LCM or least common multiple. So when do we need LCM? So it's when we have to add or subtract unlike fractions, to add or subtract. Unlike fractions. What is unlike fraction? Fractions with an uncommon denominator. So, example. Suppose I have 3 by 15. I wanted to add with 2 by 3. These are unlike fractions. They have different denominators. I cannot add them right away like 3 plus 2 because the denominator is not the same. So, I have to make the denominator same to perform the addition or subtraction. So, how will you find the LCM? This LCM is used to help you in dealing with the addition or subtraction of unlike fractions. So, how to find the LCM? You take the denominators of both the fractions 15 and 3, write with a comma in between. Then you write a big L. Now you should be knowing your divisibility test, like which number is divisible by which number. So let us start with the simple number 2. So in two tables, does the number 15 or number 3 arrive? No, because in 2 table we don't have odd numbers. So 2 table is not the right answer. Next, move on to the next table, 3. In 3 tables, do you arrive at number 15 or number 3? Yes. So I'm going to choose that number. I'll write 3 here and then divide both the numbers by the number you chose. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Copy the comma and divide this 3 by the 3 that you chose. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So like this you have to keep going on till you reach 1, 1. Can I divide 5 and 1, 5 or 1 with 3 again? Not possible, because 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So it's not going to, 5 is not going to appear in 3 tables. So let me move on. Can I use 4 table? No, 5 is not going to appear. Okay, let me use 5 table now. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, comma. If this number is less than this number, or even if it is not being divisible, just copy this number 1. As I told you earlier, have we reached 1, 1 in the end? That means you are done. So how to write the LCM? You have to multiply all these numbers on the outer edge of the L, this L. So 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So that is going to be, these are 15. So your LCM will be 15. So how will I use this LCM in performing my addition of fractions? So LCM means least common factor, least common multiple, So 3 by 15, I need a common denominator, a like fraction to do the addition. So this is going to be your denominator. The LCM which you found will be the denominator. Do I need to convert anything? My denominator is already 15 here. So I can leave it untouched. Let's move on to the next fraction. 3 by 15 can stay as 3 by 15. Now I have to convert the other fraction in the question, 2 by 3, to match with my found LCM. That is also the common denominator. So how should I make 2 by 3 into a fraction which has a denominator of 15? So 3 is becoming 15 somehow. how can I convert that? 15 is appearing in 3 table. That is how we have arrived at the LCM. So how many times should I multiply 3 to arrive at 15? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12, 5 threes are 15. So if I multiply by 5, I am going to get my LCM or the denominator. But what is the rule of fractions? If you are going to multiply the denominator or the numerator, you have to multiply the other one also by the same number. So I decided to multiply my denominator by 5. So you should multiply the numerator also by 5. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So 2 by 3 can also be written as 10 by 15. Now it is time for addition of this fractions. So 3 by 15 plus 2 by 3 can also be written as 3 by 15. We did not touch that because the 15 denominator was already the LCM denominator, plus we converted 2 by 5, 2 by 3 to 10 by 15. So now my fractions are like having common denominator 15. So I can add them straight away. Write the common denominator and add the numerators. 3 plus 10, 13 by 15. So this is my answer for this question. So to find this denominator, we found out the LCM like this. So just in case, to find the LCM of a bigger number, say 24 and 7 perhaps. So let me check. Let me rephrase that as, let us find out the LCM of 45 and 9. So I'm going to write both the numbers with a comma in between. Why we need the LCM? Because suppose the question was like 2 by 45 minus 1 by 9. So the denominators were different, they were unlike fractions. So that is why we are jumping to figure out the LCM. So starting from 2, we start from 2. Are these two numbers or any of one, is 45 divisible by 2? Does 45 appear in 2 table? No. Does 9 appear in 2 table? No. So let's jump to the next number 3. So 3 appears, the 3 table will fetch you to 9. And I'm not sure about 45, but even though, if you're sure that at least one number is going to appear in your 3 table, go for it. So 3, divide 45 divided by 3. So 45 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 15 times 3 is 45. Otherwise check it out in long division, comma 9 divided by 3 will be 3. Is 15 or 3 appearing in 3 table? Yes. So again I choose 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Can I divide any of these numbers again by 3? No, not possible. Can I move on to next number? 4, not possible. 5, yes, I can divide this by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. Copy the 1. Okay. Another example for all of you of LCM. Let's find the LCM of 15 and 49. Always start with 2. Any number which is divisible by 2, the last digit should be 24680. If the last digit is ending in this, it means the number is divisible by 2. Since both my numbers, the ones digit is not any of these, so these two numbers cannot be divided by 2. So let's move on to the next number, 3. So does 15 appear in the 3 table? Yes. Does 49 appear in 3 table? I don't know. Okay, let me try. So 15 divided by 3 will be 5. Try 49 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, long division. 3 ones are 3. 19. Does 19 appear in 3 table? No. So cancel this. So 49 is not divisible by 3. So if your number is not divisible, just copy the number. Keep the 49 as such. Now for the next step. Can I divide these two numbers, any of these two numbers, by 3 again? No, not possible. Move on to the next number. 4. Can I divide any of these two numbers by 4? Not possible. Move on to next number. 5. Yes, 5 appears in 5 table. So divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. Can I divide 49 by 5? So any number to be divisible by 5, it has to end with 0 or 5. So does this one's digit end in 0 or 5? No. So the 49 is not divisible by 5. So copy the 49 again. Since the number was not divisible by 2, it's not going to be divisible by any of the even numbers, 2, 4, 6. So skip the 6. Let's try 7 table. That's 49 appear in 7 table. Yes, so select 7. Copy the 1, and because 1 you cannot divide any further. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. Continue. Can I divide any of these by 7 again? Yes. 1, copy. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So this is the ending point of stopping to find the LCM. 1, 1. Now what are you supposed to do? Multiply in the L shape. So what your LCM will be? 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1. Just ignore it. Okay, 1 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So it is 49 by 15 multiplied by 3. So 735 will be your LCM, or the common denominator, which you should be using. For this case, our LCM was the L shape, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 9 by 5, 45 was the LCM in this case. Hope you understood LCM. Thank you.